Hi, welcome to URI Cooperative Extension and the Rhode Island 4-H Project Evergreens. Today we're going to teach you about wreath making, the easy way using a soft touch wreath ring. You're going to need some items: gloves, the easy touch wreath ring, snippers, and some greens such as pine, firs, and spruces. Remember, there's a shiny green side and a back side. Make sure you always put the good side up. Now you're going to gather a few pieces and create a fan, a triangular top shaped fan. You take that fan and put it inside one prong. Fold it down nice and tight. This keeps the piece from slipping to the back. Create more fans, layering them on top of the wires to hide them, and putting it in the next prong and clamping down tightly. If you need help from a parent, have them help you do the clamping. Keep going all the way around the wreath ring until you only have one prong left. When you get to this last prong, this is the time where you can make a really pretty fan that has some other greens to make a nice accent at the bottom of your wreath. Make sure that you still keep the good side of the green up, the bright side. You make your fan, and then you tuck it under the first piece that you did. So that first fan, you lift it up a little bit and tuck it under. Make sure that you get it in the prongs tightly. So tuck it under and then tightly place it in the prongs. Now you have a completed wreath. It's time for decorating. For more fun, visit us at uri.edu/4H.